Hi, Subhash. Good evening.
Good evening, Romil. Hi.
Hi. I think you missed yesterday's lesson, isn't it?
Just not yesterday, I think 2, 3 days back.
2, 3 days back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Well, that's not good. Why was that now?
Pardon?
That's not a good habit to do. That's not a good habit to have. Why did you miss?
Oh, no. It was not due to my habit. Actually, I could not get access to the session. Actually, there was some
Ooh.
problem with my mobile
Yeah.
phone.
With your mobile?
I,
Like,
uh, I I I thought it was due to Clippingo. I mean, there was some issue with Clippingo. I thought like that, but later I realized that it was only because of my mobile. So I changed my mobile. Now I'm doing from another device.
you changed your mobile altogether. I really like this approach.
Not change means I'm using another mobile, not mine.
Okay. That sounded better. I'm actually okay. I changed my mobile. I'm like, okay, that's some dedication. मेरे और मेरे क्लैपिंगों के बीच में मैं जो आऊंगा मैं उसको उखाड़ के रख दूंगा.
अभी तो लखनऊ को लड़की से बात करने में डर लगता है.
क्यों?
उछल उछल के मारती है.
नहीं क्या? What? What?
उछल उछल के थप्पड़ मारती है.
What?
लखनऊ को लखनऊ को लड़की. नहीं नहीं लखनऊ को लड़की.
Oh, that girl. Oh, you're talking about yeah, the girl who brought defamation to my city. Yes.
By the way, looking great. I think there is some changes in your dress, your
Not in my
your
dress, in my background.
your background, your base also. This is the first time that I'm looking this one.
Yeah, I'm not wearing my regular t-shirts.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's
And you have
something.
put out a nice profile, Go, very attractive one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I think I did not change my profile since I joined. I was like, it's high time. Okay, you must change it.
Something like a model.
Ooh,
Yeah,
nice.
just nice.
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 My goodness, let me blush. Let me just bathe in my glory for like, for 1 hour and then I'll come back to take your class.
No, no, really, it looks very good. Yeah.
Oh, really? Thank you. That is so sweet of you. So sweet of you. Ha. So, Subhash, what
Yes.
have you been up to?
There is nothing, madam, doing same kind of work, This
Yeah.
office, home, and
Yeah.
sometimes letting go. This only.
Are you enthusiastic about your YouTube channel?
For the last 1 or 2 weeks, but I could not upload any session also. Actually, I just upload my sessions that I do with the
Yeah. Yeah.
but I could not do it because I sent 1 or 2 session for approval. I have to seek approval from the Clippingo official. So I did not get the approval. That's why.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's okay. It's fine. You will get many others. Don't worry. Please don't. Yours is only YouTube channel that I really want to flourish, to be honest. From all my heart and all the positivity that I have in my heart, I really, I want to, like you bid goodbye to a ship with like it should make a full circle, have all the good things, and it should be like the trip shouldn't be pointless. In that way, I want to say goodbye to your channel. Like it should flourish, it should see the limits, it should like the sky's the limit for that. Like I want, because it's the first channel that is really nice. Okay, anyway, so Subhash,
Yes.
uh, you have been booking 25-minute session.
Yes.
Yeah, what is that all about?
Yeah, because sometimes when I talk, but I feel that if I could talk more, suddenly this photocard comes in play the So that's why.
Oh, nice. It's nice. You want to spend more and more time. I hope this is not your retirement plan. Is this your retirement plan?
No.
People generally like, I'll take a trip, I'll do this, I'll do that. And Subhash is like, I'll have a 25-minute session on clapping.
I did one session before this one with you.
Yeah.
Of
But
25 minutes.
I think all your sessions are now 25-minute sessions. I have been noticing that.
Yes, yes. Now I have subscribed for 6 months at a straight. I mean, at one go, yeah.
Anyway, so you share something with me, please. You take over the class and share something. Okay, be innovative, lie, imaginative, use your thing and do it.
Okay. A few days back, I had one session with a tutor. She was uh, she was a journalist, and she was an anchor, news anchor, in NDTV.
Nice.
So there is one YouTube. There is one website that is called English Airy. So I also subscribed to that one also for 1 month. So one day I got a message from them that there is one new tutor has joined in their website. So can if I want to take a session, I can take. So when the message came, I did not join, but later after 14, 15 days, I joined their the englishairy.com website and had a session with the tutor. It was a nice experience. I asked why she left the job because she had a chance to meet so many um, like a business tycoon, politicians, celebrities. She had a different world, not like us. So she must have enjoyed those environment there. Why she had left?
Of
Then
course.
yeah. Then she told me that yes, I enjoyed that life, but I had to leave because of health issues. So
My
she was
goodness.
around 2 years in that NDTV, and then she left the job.
Yeah, I understand. Like if I'm working for 4 days straight together, like all the way, like if I conduct my class from 10 a.m. to 12 in the night, okay, like after 4 days of relentless working, I need 2 days off. I don't know why. Because I'm working at 3 jobs right now. Okay.
Mhm.
And clappingo takes most of the time. However, I'm just like given up on life. I literally drag myself out of the bed. Yeah. So that poor girl, if she has worked as a journalist, which is such a demanding job, and if you have not reached that heights, you are not going to be even remunerated properly. That's the thing. Okay, so it's really hurtful, and it's physically tasking, taxing, sorry, it's physically taxing.
Excellent.
Yeah, like, don't even get me started. I wanted to become a radio jockey. So my
Okay.
father just denied me, just like, no, nothing doing. You have to get into teaching line. I'm like, I'm not ready to be, like, no, this was like my least. Getting a professor line is now like, I wanted to become an actress. Dad said no. I wanted to become a radio jockey. Dad said no. You see, I wanted to do theater like lifelong. I just want to do drama. Even if you don't want to get me on the silver screen, I'm fine with it. But I just want to do theater, continuous theater. My dad said no, nothing doing, not at all that. He's so scared of that, topsy-turvy sort of future, which does not promise you a livelihood. He's so scared of it. But he doesn't realize, even to become a permanent professor in, in India from the general category, even that is like equally hard. There are no
Yes.
posts left.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
For
So
general category, it is very hard.
I know, I know. So it's like, and all, even in teaching as a profession, like there are few posts, and the fight is like with millions. And he didn't understand at that point. But now that I'm 26, I think now I am better equipped with words to explain my feelings. Now he's able to understand, but now that ship has sailed. I cannot get back to at the age of 18 now and restart my career as whatever I wanted to be. But this, like, no, I wanted to study linguistics after my bachelor's, but he said no to that as well. He said that there's absolutely no job in linguistics. It's really hard. Like, go to hell, please. So
That is God.
yeah, he used to be a person who knew how to secure his future first. but I don't know what happened to him. You know, now he's like, okay, let it be. I'm like, no, it's too late now. I'm 26. You can't have that attitude now. It's like too hurtful for me. Where was this attitude when I was growing up? Yeah. Anyway,
So here
wow.
you had a desire to become a radio jockey also.
What?
You had a desire to become radio jockey also, RJ.
Hmm. I feel that my voice is good enough to be on the radio
Yes,
with the
yes.
right.
Yeah, and you can talk at the length
Yeah.
nicely without break. Yeah, that's nice. You could have done. Yeah.
Yeah. So with the training and with everything, I really wanted to, at least in English, I could have, you know, if even if they don't want to give me the Hindi commentary, which is really like it's a task to bag a Hindi commentary because Hindi is the vernacular. So even if they could have given me the English commentary, I would have done it. You know, I would have done anything related to radio.
Yeah.
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 Hindi and English both. You are equally good. Both.
Thank you. That is really sweet of you. I really like both the languages, to be honest. Yeah. Anyway, how can I help you now? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any doubts?
Okay, let me tell you that one. The last time we had a phrase, discuss about a phrase, and you asked me, and I gave you the answer. That one, you might remember that take something with a pinch of salt.
Take something with a pinch of salt. Yes.
So I was right, actually, that I said to you that if you say something to me and if I don't believe you at all, I mean, completely, I don't believe you, then we can say that.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, actually, yeah.
Okay. Just take it in stride.
Take a, if you
Just
say
take it
something,
anyway.
take something with a pinch of salt. So if Romil said me something that she want to become a radio jockey or so I thought, oh, I don't think so. But I took it with a pinch of salt because I do not believe her at all.
Okay.
Like that.
It's not for only, is it not only for the insults?
No, you can Google it and you'll find out. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know this. Thank you for letting me know. I'll Google it later. Thank you. Yeah, I thought it's only for the insults when like your boss is trying to hammer you, he's like on top, like, okay, and he's not happy with you, like, okay, he's the boss, so I'll take it with a pinch of salt because he's paying my salary. Okay.
Actually, I got this phrase many times while reading newspaper, the editorial one. So that I remembered. So I like again got back to this phrase. So yeah, I make sure that yeah, it's okay.
Nice. Ooh. At what time do you sleep, Subhash?
I take dinner at 10:30.
Hmm?
Then after say 11:15 to 11:30 between this.
I must really say you've got a good schedule for yourself.
No, actually, but I want to go to bed early,
Yeah.
but I could not. I
Even earlier than 11:30?
Yes. If I could go to bed at 10 p.m., it was okay for me.
10 p.m.
Yeah.
You'll wake up at like what, 4, 5, something like that?
Sometimes 4:30, sometimes 5. That's why. So my sleep is not for 7 or 8 hours. That minimum sleep that one needs.
My goodness. Whenever I want to sleep, the sleep just vanishes from my eyes. And I'm awake till 3. Like when I really want to rest, I want to lie down, I want to switch off everything. And when I really don't want to sleep, the sleep comes running to me like anything. You see?
The moment you go to bed, you get your sleep. Oh, that's very good. No, you don't get.
No. Yeah.
There was something going in your mind for some days, I think, because your dress, your background, your profile, so many things happening at one time. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, the dress, this was gift. My birthday was on 20th of July, and I think on 1st August or something, one of my sisters, like not my real sisters, she's like, I grew up with her. So she's quite elder to me. So she had got me this delivered. Okay, now, yeah, this is a dress. And I use it as a kurta, and it's such a comfy thing that I wear it almost daily now. Okay,
Okay.
and it looks, yeah, it has all the fruits in the world made on it. I'm like, okay, yeah, fruits and
And
flowers always.
you also a fruit lover, I know.
What?
You are also a fruit lover. You love
Absolutely.
fruits. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. There's nothing like God's bounty. If you can see God's blessing on earth, it's in the form of fruits. All right. Like I love fruits. You can't even question my loyalty for fruits. Never do that. I absolutely love it. So, Subhash, to be honest, I really like your background. I have to comment on that. I just wish that you could keep you don't have to. I'm pretty sure you're holding the camera. I'm pretty sure you're holding the camera. And that becomes quite painful. Either you take a stand because now I learned it the hard way, but I want you not to learn it the hard way. Okay, so I would just suggest that,
Yeah, I have purchased one stand also few days back.
yeah,
It's a tripod.
yeah.
So,
For the
yeah.
table or for the floor?
No, tripod.
Tripod, there is one for the table as well. Like you can keep this tripod stand on the table and shoot.
Oh, this I don't know.
Yeah. How much did it cost? Could you please let me know?
I bought a simple one around
Yeah,
600 or something.
600. It's still expensive. Yeah, on Amazon, it's worth 1800 or something. I'm like, okay, I'm not paying for plastic.
No,
1800.
it's not about Amazon. I bought also through Amazon, but there are so many qualities, 1800, 2000 or more also.
Yeah.
So I found it convenient for me. Okay, 600 good for me.
Yeah. You can also like I want to invest in a Bluetooth remote, which helps you to click photographs from far away. That's really nice. So I want to invest in that, a Bluetooth remote. Yeah.
Bluetooth
It would-
remote.
yeah. For example, if you want to click photographs and if you want to click photographs and these are selfies practically if you see them, but I mean the self camera is there, but you are not the one who's clicking, the remote is clicking for you. So something that you can invest in. So I'm planning to buy that as well. It seems to be a nice investment if I can just have some good profile pictures. Because now I'm in the business, so all these things, unfortunately, now that they have come online, these things have started to matter so much, like so much. When I was giving this interview for this online, she was constantly commenting on this, on that, on this. "Ye nahi acha lag raha hai, wo nahi acha lag raha hai, ye nahi acha lag raha hai." I'm like, okay, wait, give me 2 weeks, please give me 2 weeks. I'll fix everything. I'll get paid by Clappingo and then I'll invest in all these equipments, you see. Yeah, the way she had just battered me, battered, like that's the word. Like she took away my soul. Yeah, you're such a positive person, I must say that. It's so fun to talk to you and so relaxing. Like half an hour of session with you, I certainly get like, you're like an alprazolam to me, you know? You know? You know what an alprazolam is? It's a
No.
tablet. It's a sleeping tablet that like,
Oh, yes.
yeah, it relaxes your mind. So you are like an alprazolam to me. You know, it just all the पूरे दिन की भगदौड़ एक पल में खत्म हो जाती है.
No, actually, we need to do that. Actually, what happens that there is nothing in life. If you don't, if you can laugh or every time we are serious about our work, busy with something, so it requires.
Yeah, it does. It does require. The thing is like, it's like all positivity and there is absolutely no ounce of negativity. You don't even
There
get
are two tutors. One is you, and another I might have told you earlier also. It is
Parveen.
Parveen.
Yeah.
Yeah. With this tutorial, I always speak like this. There is no topic at all. This
Oh,
topic doesn't come. The topics that given by the clipping will never come.
yeah. Well, to be honest, that's the best, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.